Good evening from the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well, and if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to change your Facebook page name if you didn't already know. It's a really simple process to change your Facebook page name if you are changing from one business to another or one page to another. I'll teach you guys right now how to change your Facebook page name. So at first, you must obviously go into your Facebook account, and after you're on your home page or your dashboard, you need to go on this button, the three dot icon or the three line icon. So here you'll see these many things, but you need to click on pages because we are going to see what pages we have. So after you click on pages, all the pages that you have, all the pages you have created or your admin of will be displayed right here, and you need to click on the page that you want to change the name of. After you are inside your page, you need to go into settings, and if you don't know where settings is, it is on the top right corner right here. So you click on that, and now you'll see many options below settings, but you need to click on page info, which is on the second right here. After you're on here, you'll see about, and below on about you'll see name, and you click on there. You change your name to anything you like. I'm clicking login giants. So you go to continue, and after you click on request change, your information will be transferred to Facebook. They'll review or analyze the data that you have given them, and it may be changed during the span of 7 days, and it might be sooner as well. So this is how you change your Facebook name in 2022. And if you don't know how to do that, you revise this video. And if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.